Is CrankWheel the best screen sharing tool for sales teams? In this quick explainer, we'll take a deep dive into why CrankWheel might be just what your sales team needs to boost efficiency, speed up sales cycles, and close deals faster. Stick around to find out the key features and why this tool might just be a game changer for you. Now, before we dive in, make sure you check out the first link in the description for an exclusive, extended free trial of CrankWheel, available only through this video. It's an opportunity you don't want to miss. Alright, let's get into it. CrankWheel stands out for its simplicity. It's designed to make screen sharing quick, easy, and friction-free, so you can focus on what really matters, connecting with your leads. Whether you're trying to demo a product or share your screen, CrankWheel eliminates the need for complex setups or technical hiccups. This tool was built with sales teams in mind, so you don't need to waste any time figuring out how to use it. Next thing, CrankWheel is incredibly efficient in terms of speed. When it comes to sales calls, you need to keep the momentum going. CrankWheel allows you to share your screen in seconds, literally. No complicated signups, no downloads, no barriers for your customers. They just click a link and you're sharing your screen instantly. It's this speed that makes CrankWheel a top contender for sales teams that need to move fast and stay responsive to prospects. The third thing is security and trust. You might be wondering how secure this kind of screen sharing tool is. CrankWheel offers encrypted sessions, so your confidential sales info and your customers' details stay safe. It's a critical feature for teams handling sensitive business information. Next up, let's talk about the user interface. CrankWheel's design is straightforward. No need to train your team for hours on how to use it. Everyone can pick it up right away. The clean interface ensures that all team members, whether they're tech-savvy or not, can get started without frustration. Plus, you can customize your branding on a screen-sharing interface, which gives you a professional edge when engaging with prospects. The fifth point, analytics and tracking. CrankWheel provides valuable insights into your sessions. You can see who joined the meeting, how long they stayed, and whether your demo had the impact you intended. These data points help sales teams fine-tune their approach and improve their conversion rates. Now, you might be thinking, but what about integration with my existing tools? Don't worry. CrankWheel integrates seamlessly with CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and others, so you don't need to worry about adding more steps to your workflow. Finally, one of the best things about CrankWheel is how it supports remote sales teams. In today's world, remote work is common, and this tool lets you connect with clients all over the world, ensuring your sales teams can work from anywhere, anytime. It's perfect for modern sales strategies. So, is CrankWheel the best screen sharing tool for sales teams? It definitely stands out because of its speed, ease of use, and powerful features that can make your sales calls smoother and more effective. Whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise, CrankWheel could be a solid addition to your sales toolkit. Remember, you can get an exclusive extended free trial by clicking the first link below. Don't miss out on trying CrankWheel for your team and seeing firsthand how it can boost your sales efforts. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you make a decision on whether CrankWheel is the right tool for your sales team.